Unit 14. Tape script 14.1. Bill and Gloria's holiday. 1.
On Sunday, they're flying to London.
2.
On Monday, they're going to have a bus tour of London.
3.
On Tuesday, they're travelling through Belgium and into Germany.
4.
On Wednesday, they're going to drive down the romantic road to the Alps and Austria.
5.
On Thursday, they're going to drive over the Europa Bridge.
6.
On Friday, they're going to stop in Verona. They're going to see Juliet's balcony.
7.
On Saturday evening, they're having dinner in a bistro in Paris.
8.
On Sunday morning, they're going to the Louvre to see the Mona Lisa. In the evening, they're flying back to the US.
Tape script 14.2. Questions.
What are they doing on Sunday? What are they going to do on Monday?
Tape script 14.3. 1.
What are they doing on Tuesday?
2.
What are they going to do on Wednesday?
3.
When are they going to drive over the Europa Bridge?
4.
What are they going to do in Verona?
5.
Where are they having dinner on Saturday?
6.
When are they going to the Louvre?
7.
When are they flying back to the US?
Tape script 14.4. Eddie's plans.
What are you doing?
I'm planning my holiday.
Oh, where are you going?
I'm going to South Africa. It's my first time.
Oh, you're so lucky. When are you leaving?
I'm leaving next Monday morning.
Who are you going with?
I'm not going with anyone. Just me and my rucksack.
Where are you going to stay?
Well, I'm staying with friends in Cape Town. Then I'm going on safari. I'm going to sleep in a tent.
Fantastic. And how are you going to travel?
By plane to Cape Town, of course, and then by jeep when I'm on safari.
By jeep? How exciting. And how long are you going to stay?
Just 2 weeks. I'd like to stay longer, but I can't. It's too expensive.
How much is it going to cost?
About £2,000.
That's quite a lot. Well, have a great time. I can't wait to see your photos.
Oh, yes. I'm going to take a lot of photos.
Tape script 14.5. Pronunciation. 2 syllables.
Pilot. Women. Married. Chocolate. Hotel. Arrive. Shampoo. Enjoy.
Tape script 14.6. Pronunciation. 3 syllables.
Photograph. Vegetable. Interesting. Designer. Assistant. Banana. Magazine. Understand. Souvenir.
Tape script 14.7. Rhymes. 1.
Some.
Home.
Come.
2.
Goes.
Nose.
Does.
3.
Were.
Here.
Her.
4.
Make.
Steak.
Speak.
5.
Near.
Where.
There.
6.
Eat.
Great.
Wait.
Tape script 14.8. Life's big events. 1. Milena Dushek.
My parents are divorced. My father is a journalist and works for a newspaper called Blesk. My mother works as a chef in a restaurant in the old town. I see my father quite often. He lives nearby.
2. Georg Reinhardt.
I was born in Frankfurt, where I grew up and went to school. I studied architecture at the University of Munich. I met Carlotta at university. She was a student of modern languages. We moved to Berlin in 1995.
3. Archie McRae.
I went to Drumchapel High School. I studied biology, chemistry and physics. At school, I met Fiona, and we started going out when we were 16. We studied medicine together at the University of Edinburgh, and now we live in Edinburgh.
Tape script 14.9. Social expressions 2. 1.
Good luck in the exam. I hope it goes well.
Thanks. I'll do my best.
See you later. Bye.
2.
Oh no!
Don't worry, it doesn't matter.
I'm so sorry.
3.
Have a good weekend.
Thanks. Same to you. What are you doing? Anything special?
We're going to a birthday party.
Oh, lovely.
4.
Goodbye. Drive carefully.
Thanks. I'll phone you when I arrive.
See you again soon.
5.
I have a present for you.
For me? Why?
It's just to say thank you.
That's so kind of you.
6.
Bye, and thanks for everything.
It was a pleasure. We enjoyed having you.